Well, I did the timing, I spun it by hand, and I did not feel compression, so I'm gonna crank it. And the only reason I'm doing that is because the car sat for a long time and it's possible that the lifters bled out. So we'll see. I'm not holding my breath right now. I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna have to have a cylinder head rebuild. But let's see what happens. It's got oil in it. It's got the timing all done. I put the battery jump box on it, and I'll be able to hear if this thing has compression or not. If it does the the naga thing. Here we go. It's got some compression, I'll tell you that. This thing's gonna start. Yeah. Now, it's not running well, that's for sure. I can't believe this thing is running though. It's misfiring pretty bad. So that, we might have a bent valve somewhere, but I can't believe this thing fired up. To be continued.